पुणे पुलिस की तरफ से आखिरकार जो गिरफ्तारियों का जो सिलसिला है वो किस तरीके से लगातार जारी रहा। वहीं पर जो ये 17 साल का जो लड़का बताया जा रहा है उसके पिता को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है, जिनकी ये पोर्श गाड़ी बताई जाती है और जिसकी वजह से 2 लोगों की जान गई। अब उससे पहले गाड़ी तेज चलाने से पहले जहां ये लड़का पार्टी करता हुआ नजर आया था, पब में नजर आया था, शराब पीते हुए नजर आया था, उसे पब ओनर और मैनेजर को भी गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है। उसी को लेकर हम जो कार्रवाई है पुणे पुलिस की तरफ से उसे आगे बढ़ते हुए देख पा रहे हैं। Now let's talk about, as far as the Pune district collector is also concerned, the excise department of the district which has now sealed the very same bar which allegedly served liquor to minors। और हम देख रहे हैं कि ये जो कार्रवाई है, जो आप तस्वीरें देख पा रहे हैं, सील कर दिया गया है। यहाँ पर बताया जा रहा है कि लड़के और उसके दोस्त एक नहीं कम से कम 2 बार्स में गए थे, उन्हें शराब सर्व की गई थी माइनर्स को। आप याद करिए कि आखिरकार अभिषेक, क्योंकि माइनर्स को सर्व करना अल्कोहल, इस पे पाबंदी है, इलीगल है ये, लेकिन कानून तोड़ते हुए इन पब्स ने ऐसा का आखिरकार किया, उनके आईडी कार्ड चेक नहीं करे। अब उन्हीं पब्स के ऊपर कार्रवाई की जा रही है।
Yes, first let me tell you, I am present at the same spot where the incident took place. You can see, people are coming here since morning, since yesterday, and they are paying their last respect, or you can say the tribute to these 2 youngsters who lost their life because of the incident. I have one of the Punekars with me who has just arrived here and gave a flower over here. Let's try and understand how much pained are you as a Punekar, because you have seen such kind of incident where 2 youths have lost their life. They were outsiders but working here for bread and butter. How do you look at that?
Exactly. I usually come from this road for regular purpose. So when I came after a few days here. So when I saw the board over here, it was really heartbreaking for me because whatever happened with Anish and Ashwini, right, that is really very sad. And the way they have been treated, they are not here in this world now, right? But the way they have been treated by the board, by the law, that is truly unfair. So I really don't know what to say on this topic, but the way the juvenile board has acted, as in they took the decision within 16 hours, right? That is why they were in so much rush. They could have taken some time. They could have examined it properly. And even the RTO did not manage the registration of the vehicle properly. That is also the point to note. So there are many things, there are many angles which are involved here. And this accident, right, we should not be taking it from a single angle. It should be considered from a multiple angle. What are the faults present here in the city? Because Pune is a very beautiful city and the people are very good over here. So how can we make this city more beautiful? So, but this kind of incident which happened, it really hurts us.
You really pointed one important thing. If this can happen to them, it can also happen to you. Are you satisfied with the police action taken place till now? Investigation is going on, and today a review petition will be heard before the Juvenile Justice Board, which granted him bail.
I have total faith in the law, in the police. So I think they will take the proper action and whatever is needed in this particular case. So actually, in India, it takes time, right? So we will have to keep our faith in this system, and everything will happen well, I think. That is my point of view.
Thank you so much speaking to Times Now. So this is a Punekar, who was expressing his opinion out here and also paid homage to these 2 young couple who has lost their life just because a minor under the influence of alcohol was driving an expensive car without registration. It didn't have a number plate.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.